InfernoWare! Reflect, dissipate, and shield. We make hot stuff less hot. Gun! Less hot. Car! Less hot. Other stuff! Less hot. We also got a bunch of sick colors. InfernoWare Shield gives you a layer of protection and a look that will make you an alpha Giga-Chad. You will be turning so many heads with these sick colors, the doctor will see a massive uptick in neck injuries! Hell yeah! Do you shoot a bunch of guns? Of course you do. Have a suppressor? Get it coated with our FT30 coating and massively reduce heat and cool down times. This stuff is the real deal. So while you're playing Gravy Seals, you won't burn your little baby hands or melt your range bags. Or maybe you really are a SEAL in that case. Thank you for your service, bro. Anyways, visit us at InfernoWare.net today! Check out all the real-world data on our heat-resistant coatings and all the sick colors you can get! Find an applicator near you now!